Psychology Statistics Hub tutorial. This is your lab director, Natasha, with a research question for you. Imagine the Mount Holyoke Student Life offices want to know more about how our various traditions boost morale. Particularly, they're interested in finding out if students' level of happiness increases following the event of Mountain Day. Given our sample of 100 students, is the self-reported happiness score of Mount Holyoke students higher the day after Mountain Day compared to the day before? What analysis can we use to answer this research question? The paired samples t-test compares the means of two variables for a single group. In this example, whether happiness scores for Mount Holyoke students are different before and after Mountain Day. This typically means that there are the same people providing scores for each variable, as it is assessing each participant's response on two different occasions or under two different conditions on the same dependent measure. This can also be referred to as a repeated measures t-test. The test computes the differences between the values of the two variables for each case and tests whether the average differs from 0. So to run a paired samples t-test in SPSS, first we want to click on Analyze, then Compare Means, and then over to Paired Samples t-test. A Paired Samples t-test dialog box will appear. In the variable list on the left, click the first variable in your test, which we're using happy pre and post, so we can put happy post and move it over. And then for variable 2, we'll use happy pre. Now all we have to do is click OK, and we get our output. As we can see, we have in the first table, the paired sample statistic table, we have the mean of the student's happiness score before and after Mountain Day. We also have the number of students that reported for each and the standard deviations. The other important table is the paired samples test. And we can see here the mean difference score and standard deviation. And we can also see the t-score, the degrees of freedom, and the p-values. So we were just looking to see if the happiness scores were different before and after, so we can use the two-sided p, but either way, it's both p-values are below 0.05, so this is a significant test. And again, looking back at the means, we can see that students were significantly happier following the day after Mountain Day than they were the day before. As always, remember, don't be mean, be above average.